Good morning, students. Last day we have started the new topics acid, base, and salt, and I have given you the brief introductions last day, and also I have told the acid mainly divided into two types. One is organic acid or naturally occurring acid. This organic acid mainly derived from the living sources. Another is the mineral acid. The organic acid generally they are the weak acid and mineral acid are strong acid. Mineral acid are very harmful. Now the difference between the strong and weak acid, which acid you will tell strong and which acid you will tell the weak acid. The strong acid is that types of the acid when you dissolve in water, it completely dissociated in water. The acid which are completely dissociated in water, they are the strong acid. As for example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. Acid which are partially dissociated in water, when it is mixed up with the water, these acid are the weak acid, or organic acid are the weak acid. Now the question, sir, what do you mean by concentrated acid and what do you mean by dilute acid? The concentrated acid, first of all I am telling you, the acid are mixing with the water. Acid will mix with the water. When acid will mix with the water to make it dilute. Now what do you mean by, sir, dilute and concentric acid? The acid in which the amount of the acetic gas is more and amount of the water is less, this acid are said to be concentrated acid. And the acid in which the acetic gas is less, that means amount of the water is more, that is said to be diluted acid. Some of the acid are generally uses in the case of the diluted only. Suppose you have heard the lead acid battery, that means the inverter battery, car battery which we are using. In this battery, what types of the acid are used? Sulfuric acid. Do you know the sulfuric acid, that is only 12.5% acidic gas. That means amount of the pure acid is 12.5% and amount of the water is 87.5%. So these are the diluted acid. In sulfuric acid, pure sulfuric acid is very harmful. Last day I have told you that if you put a 1 drops of the acid in your chest by penetrating whole body, the blood will come from outside of the body. So you have understood what is the meaning of the diluted and what is the meaning of concentrated. When in the factory or some of the important laboratory experiment is required the concentrated and diluted acid both. Otherwise, mainly the strong acid which we are using in the different purposes, they are in dilute acid only, not concentrated acid at all. Now to make the dilute, what to do? Acid will be mixed up with the water or water will be mixed up with the acid. For your information, acid is mixed up with the water and then also drop by drop. 1 drop will mix up, it will be dissociated. Again pure acid, 1 drop will mix up and it will be dissociated. Now question, sir, why water is not added with the acid? Why acid is added with the water? Because this is a highly exothermic reaction. If we mix up the water with the acid, very highly exothermic, and it will cause you the accident. So I have explained you something regarding the weak and strong acid. Next day, I will explain you the properties of the acid. Have a good day. Thank you.